Hello guys, my name is Cesar Armendariz. I am a tutor at Riverside Middle School, and today we will be going over a method of factoring, which is by using the difference of squares. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get to it. Before we get started on actually learning how to factor using the difference of squares method, I just want to remind you guys that when we factor, we are trying to find out what is it that we need to multiply in order to get a certain expression. So we're basically going backwards. We're going from the answer to what is it that gave us that answer, which is actually part of the name. We're trying to find the factors that gave us the answer of the expression that we have been given. And that's pretty much it, just going backwards. So on the top corner, I just put another definition that basically restates what I just said, that when you factor, it's basically the reverse process of a polynomial multiplication. And now let's get us started on the actual criteria that we need to meet in order to do the difference of squares method. First, we need two terms that are squared and that are being subtracted. Then we take the square root of both terms, and finally we rewrite the expression as a plus b times a minus b. That is all we have to do, and that is always the formula. So let's do an example so you guys can see it better. We have 9x squared minus 16. That's the expression we're given. A is 9x squared. The square root of that is simply 3x. B, which is 16, the square root of that is 4, giving us the answer of 3x plus 4 times 3x minus 4. Now, you guys have to know your square roots because many times, like in this example, they will only give you a number, like the result of a number being squared, like 16 in this case. Instead of writing 4 squared, they're just going to write the answer of that number being squared. So just be careful, guys, and know your square roots. For the second example, we have 4x squared minus 49y squared. In this case, a would be the square root of 4x squared, which is simply 2x, and b would be the square root of 49y squared, which is simply 7y. Therefore, our answer would be 2x plus 7y times 2x minus 7y. So basically in this example, we have two numbers that were squared and subtracted, so that meets the main criteria for those difference of squares. And also, as you guys can see, we have x and y as our variables. Remember that they can give you guys any single letter as a variable, so don't let that throw you guys off. With that being said, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. And remember that in order to follow this method, you guys need two terms that are being squared and subtracted. And if you guys have any more questions, don't be afraid to reach out to tutor.com. They have help available 24/7. Last but not least, guys, remember that algebra is part of our everyday life. Maybe we don't see it in formulas or expressions, but it is part of our logical thinking. Also, it is the foundation of upper-level mathematics, so trust me when I say this. If you guys master your algebra skills, everything else will be a piece of cake. Thank you guys for watching.